So it's great that my sprinkler system had the intelligence to shut off. Take a look at how dry this guy is. Overall, he's been rained on for 3 days and he desperately needs water. But remember, during a rain, this potted plant isn't going to get the kind of moisture that it needs to survive and thrive. This has got subsurface watering in here, but it was shut off during the rain the last 3 days, so it's dry as a bone.